Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been searching for the best hosting or discount, you've landed in exactly the right place. So let's dive right in. Today I'm going to walk you through how to get the maximum savings on Hostinger. And trust me, the difference is pretty significant depending on how you grab your discount. So here's the deal. If you use my special partnership link in the description, you'll unlock an extra 20% discount on your order. But if you only use a coupon code, you'll get just 10% off. That's double the savings with the link. Pretty easy choice, right? Now, let me show you a real example so this actually makes sense. I picked the business hosting plan as my example today, but don't worry, you can choose any plan that fits your needs, whether that's VPS, cloud, website builder, or business web email. Here's the part that really blew my mind. When I bought hosting for just 1 year, I paid around $41, and my renewal came out to about $95. But when I switched to the 48-month plan, I paid just $108 for 4 full years. That's almost the same price as 1 year of renewal. Insane savings. So my biggest tip? Always go with the longest duration you can. You also get a free domain and 3 months extra thrown in, which is just the cherry on top. Here's what to do next. Click the link in the description or check the comments section. I've added links for every country in your local language and currency, so you'll land on the right Hostinger page automatically. From there, scroll down, pick your plan, and head to checkout. One quick pro tip, always use a new email address that hasn't been registered with Hostinger before to make sure you get the best deal available. That's it. Super simple, massive savings. Drop your questions in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy hosting!